Yeah, man. And I was like, it's Kenji, not Genji. Dude, my phone. What the hell? Are you okay? Stop slapping me. Seriously, what's your problem?
It's Kill KJ Day.
That was yesterday. Oh. But dude, seriously, if one more person mentions I'll call you back. Huh. Of course.
It's time, KJ.
Sorry, I forgot my watch. No! We are not doing that.
Send you.
All right. I'm not doing this anymore. No more. So if that's how he wants it, then so be it.
Dun, 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 dun,
Oh, no flashy entrance? Oh well, I just hope you're ready, because I'm fully prepared. I'm 100% ready for this. Damn, isn't Kill KJ Day? 20 drop kick. Finally, it's over.
Ching.
Huh?
Ching.
As a
Ha! Get pranked, bro. Yeah, man. And that's when I was like, there's no Gen Clash.
And then he secretized it. Right?
KJ, what are you doing here?
Well, Stealth, I heard you were the one who kept setting Azalena after me, so we're going to settle that issue.
Why do you have that?
So you can catch his fade. 20 drop kick. That's just embarrassing, you slow fighting idiot.
Hey, KJ. You're really strong. Guess I can stop holding back.
Come on, show me your moves. Impressive. You made me use 20% of my power. I'm forced to summon my stand. Gowling, oh fool! His power, you ask? He can summon birthday cakes.
That's freaking.
Yeah, for real. And I was like, so you can catch a spade. Nah, man, I'm pretty sure I dealt with that. Oh, they'll think twice before messing with. Is that number backwards? Seriously? I just bought that. Wait. No. Oh. Oh, you're approaching me. Fine. Alright then, come as close as you want, as you'd like. However, this is the last time. KJ's 20 series. Still 5 seasons. Die. And to finish it off, KJ's 20 series. Stoic bomb. I really thought I've gone ridden all of you. Man, this isn't even worth it anymore. What just happened? That's new. I'm sick of this. I'm going to kill you both.
I'm done.
That voice.
Why don't we kick this up a notch?
So, you finally show yourselves. Stealth and King. Wait, then all those phone calls.
We know there's no point in dragging this out, so let's end it in the next blow. That's a surefire kill. You won't stop.
You're sounding awfully cocky.
We're not cocky. We're confident.
Come at me then. You know, sometimes I'd be wondering what I'd be doing if that day never happened. But it doesn't matter, because with this, it's finally over! KJ's 21 series. Unlimited Flux Works.
Surprise!
What?
It took us a while, but we were able to finally get you that gift.
You broke my phone to get me a new one?
The new and improved phone 3.0.
What about all my data? Whatever, just give me your... Oh shit!